So if you've ever read Ultimate Proof for Creation by Jason Lyle, he kind of has a similar one. His is kind of a two-step, but I don't think it's out of line with this one. So it's answer, don't answer. Or don't answer, I should say. So you don't answer full according to a standard. You kind of show them, okay, what are the implications for this belief, both an internal and external critique, and then here's principle 5 that he would give an answer, which would be replace the idol, make the case for Christianity. The easiest one, right? Yeah. This is the one where you will take whatever the line of questioning is, looking at where they are keeping things outside the box, things where they're not offering an explanation of what we see in the world, and also replacing their failed internal critique that you've done with Christianity. And we're positing the proper case. So hopefully we also, in our explanation, in our theology, we are presenting the first replacements for the first 4 principles as well, so that we're internally consistent and we're also externally consistent with making sure we get everything within the scope of what we see in the world.
Right. Experiences and that sort of thing.
So principle 5, we'll explore several real-world examples in secular thinking who are freeloading what they like best from Christianity, and that's a lot of fun. What kind of stealing from God. So we answer first the real world and internally coherent, because the biblical worldview starts with the transcendent.
Yeah, transcendent.
Yeah, there we go. That's the word. That's the word that I see on the paper and can't get my tongue to do. Transcendent creator. It does not deify anything in creation. Therefore, it does not need to be ramrod everything into a limited set of categories derived from one part of the cosmic order. Christianity liberates us from any life-denying reductionism that dishonors and debases humanity and affirms the high dignity of humans as full persons made in the image of a personal God. So it says in Romans 1:16 that he's not ashamed of the gospel because it is the power of salvation.
All right, and so she says that this book then is not designed to teach the tenets of various worldviews. The goal is to master the skills that will enable you to cut to the heart of any set of ideas using the most common worldviews merely as illustrations at each step to help us to work through that. Right?